Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Zoom meeting on iPad step by step clearly. To record a Zoom meeting on your iPad, start by ensuring you have the Zoom app installed. Open the Zoom app on your iPad. Sign into your Zoom account or create a new one if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, schedule a new meeting or join an existing one. Before the meeting begins, tap on the More button located in the lower right corner of your screen. Next, select Settings from the options presented. Scroll down and locate the Meeting section within the Settings menu. Ensure the Cloud Recording option is enabled if you want the recording stored in the cloud. If you prefer local recording, check that your account allows local recordings. Now return to the meeting screen and tap on Start Meeting. Once the meeting has begun, access the More button again. Select Record to start the recording. You will see a notification indicating that the meeting is being recorded. During the meeting, you can pause or stop the recording using the same More button. To end the recording, tap Stop Recording when you're ready to finish. After the meeting concludes, your recording will be processed. If it was a cloud recording, check your Zoom account online for access to the file. For local recordings, find the video saved in your iPad Zoom folder. That's how you can easily record a Zoom meeting on your iPad step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.